How to share contact name and photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Contacts and tap on it. You are now in the Contacts settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how contacts appear. Go to Share Name and Photo as shown. Over here, tap on Share automatically and then select Contacts only. Then, tap on Done below. This means that your updated name, photo, and poster will be automatically shared with people in your contacts. Following these steps, you can easily share contact name and photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.